young men. We are here today to pull the last ticket for 2011. We will start our new Quilt of the Month Club in October. So this month we are giving away our quilt that is called a wedding ring. And it was pieced by Marlene Long and quilted by Sister Mary Cabrini Clouchet. And Sister Lisa, who's also a quilter, is pulling the ticket for this month. So Lisa, reach down far and get one. And let's see who it is. Rob Belt, 1013 Wrenwood Drive, Bowling Green, Kentucky. This is one that I sold last year whenever I was there selling tickets. So we will call Rob and get his quilt to him. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget, this time next week we're going to be really into the picnic, and we're going to need all your prayers and support. Thank you very much.